My name is Pat Iyer, and I am president of the Pat Iyer Group. I have been serving attorneys as a legal nurse consultant since 1987. This is a tip about how to set your fees as a legal nurse consultant. There's a rule that a very wise nurse told me when I first started my business in 1987. She said that I should use the 3/4, 1/4 rule. That is, if 3/4 of my clients hear my fee and don't fall off their chair in a state of cardiac arrest, then I've quoted the correct fee and I'm charging enough. There will always be people who will react in shock, and they are most likely not your ideal client. Your fee really depends on the area of the country, your experience, your education, and your guts. By guts, what I mean is your ability to put a value on your worth. Many people who are inexperienced set their fees too low. I can tell you from personal experience that it is very difficult to raise your rates when you start out too low. When I first started consulting with a hospital, I set my fee low because I wanted to get the business. And then when I tried to raise it to what would have been a much more appropriate level, I encountered a lot of resistance. When you set your fees too low, you also send a message that you don't know what you're doing. Some attorneys will jump at the chance to use you if you charge a low rate, but then as your expenses rise, you can't sustain your business. There's an expression that really needs to be branded in your brain, something that my husband, who is an entrepreneur, drilled into my head over and over again. Businesses fail because of lack of cash. Cash is king. Get practical advice about some of the factors that affect your fees. This is one of many topics covered in our 9-hour course called How to Get All the Clients You Need. This is a new course for legal nurse consultants. Get it today using the link below.